Okay, you ready to read, Metimet?
Yes.
Okay, let's read here. Tremendous.
Chuggy tractors.
So
Strong and skating up to farm machines.
and
Pulling them along.
there.
Chunky trees can to the ground.
And
Get the wheels to grip.
a tractor.
Lives on farmland.
So
Its body must be tough.
it sits
Behind from the ground.
for
Farmland can be rough.
to grow.
The crops
The farmers have to,
swing by seed.
but first,
Need break up the ground. Apply what they need.
a tractor pulls the plough
Along the field.
up and down. The plough blades
Cut the soil.
into
Furrows
rich
and brown.
brown. The tractor hauls the
Harrow.
next to
Break up the stones.
the metal discs crush up the.
Clods.
That's what the harrow's for. It's time to use the.
Roller.
Now the long
Tubes around.
to
Flatten out the field.
pushing
Them along
stones.
beneath the ground.
A seed drill has a
Hopper.
seed box that you,
Full.
when it's time for
Planting.
the tractor pulls the drill. The seed drill makes a row of grooves in which the seeds can.
Drop.
The spikes then rake
Covering.
off
Soil.
across the top. If the crops are,
Grain. Crop. Is
this is a hay crop, you mow it when it's grown.
grown.
Grass is left in.
Look. Like a nosy picking the long grass.
That's right. The grass is left in tidy rows to
Dry.
when it's been mown.
Mound.
Later on,
A baler scoops up all her bales.
and shapes them into bales, which are bundles, square or round. A bale of hay is
Heavy to lift.
a bale for Connor. Tractor makes it easy to shift. If the crops are
Grain crop.
when harvest time is here, a great big
Combine harvest.
can get the whole
Crop. Clear.
well done. It cuts the stalks and
Threshes them.
to knock,
The grain right out.
then spreads the
What does it
straw behind it as the grain spills from the.
stop?
A tractor with a
Trailer.
shifts bales of straw or
Round.
hay, takes food to hungry animals or carries crops away. The tractor and the farmer work hard to do
Work.
their best, so when the day is over, they both deserve a
Rest.
well done.
Oh my God. Can hold the camera.